Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Touareg, stock number 6262. It's framed from the 6th 2011 to the 4th 2018. It has a CJMA 3 litre turbo V6 diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the CJMA 3 litre turbo V6 diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front headlight, front door card, front master switch, front console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,